Hello everyone, I choose joy. I haven't showed you guys much of the garden because it is not doing well. I don't know what's happening, but we got more weeds than anything. So it's time to pull up the weeds because we were just letting it go to see what was weeds and what's not. And yeah, so let me show you. Here is my lettuce, so I'm going to separate that today and put it in a more appropriate space. Carrots are growing. Got some radishes coming up. Time to plant more. Yeah, all that's weed. Collards, turnips, mustards, my peas. And yes, the squash is dead. This is a turnip that will not die. So the root is pretty big because we've chopped this a couple of times and eaten off of it. So yeah, that's what it looks like right now. 45 minutes later.